Good morning, student of class 7th. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. This is your English grammar book for class 7. There are total 21 chapters in it, in which first chapter is phrase and clauses. Now today I will teach you your first chapter, that is phrases and clauses. Your chapter 1 is phrases and clauses. In the previous classes I had taught you first chapter of your English literature book, and today I will teach you first chapter of your English grammar book, that is phrases and clauses. The phrases. First I will tell you about the phrases. What is the phrases? A group of words that make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. A group of words that make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase, such as at night, on the shelf, with her father, after 2 days, some boys in the class, the stars twinkling in the sky. These all are the phrases. They are making sense but not complete sense. They are not making a complete sentence. You can see at night makes sense but not, it does not make any complete sense. So a group of words that make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. For making complete sense, these phrases should be used in a sentence. Now come to next part. Each of the above groups of words makes some sense but not complete sense. In order to express complete sense, and some or more words are required. As I had told you earlier, all those words such as at night, on the shelf, with her father, after 2 days, some boys, in the sky, all were making sense but not complete sense. In order to make complete sense, some more words are required, such as the moon shines at night. At night is a phrase, but the moon shines at night, it makes a complete sense. Keep these utensils on the shelf. On the shelf is a phrase, and keep these utensils on the shelf, it is a complete sentence. She is living with her father. This is a complete sentence, and with her father is a phrase. Now, next part. She phoned me after 2 days. After 2 days is a phrase. She phoned me after 2 days. In this line, after 2 days is a phrase. Some boys in the class were making noise. This is a complete sentence. In it, some boys is a phrase. Some boys in the class is phrase. Now, next, the stars twinkling in the sky look very beautiful. The stars twinkling in the sky in this sentence is phrase, and to make a complete sense, it requires some more words. Now, I will tell you about kinds of phrases. A phrase can be of three kinds: noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. There are three types of phrases: noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. You have to remember one point: a phrase can't contain a predicate. There is no predicate in a phrase. In the above lines you can see at night. At night is a phrase. There is no predicate in it. Same like on the shelf is a phrase. There is no predicate. So we can say that a phrase cannot include a predicate. After 2 days, some boys in the class is a phrase in these lines, but it does not have any predicate. So there are three kinds of phrases: noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. And point to remember is a phrase cannot contain a predicate. Now I am again telling you, a phrase is a group of words that make sense but not complete sense. It's called a phrase. A phrase cannot contain a predicate. and to make a complete sentence, phrase requires some more words. So for homework of today, you have to learn the definition of phrase and learn the definition of phrase and its uses. Thank you. I am Abdul Rashid. I am teaching you English and my mobile number is 700-780-2662. You can ask me any question related to this. Thank you.